We're diving into a fascinating topic, the impact of music on cognitive performance. If you've ever found yourself more focused while listening to music or struggled to concentrate in silence, you're not alone. Music has a profound effect on our brains, and recent studies have shown how different types of music can enhance various cognitive functions. In this video, we'll explore the science behind these effects, the different ways music can impact your performance, and how you can use it to boost your own cognitive abilities. Let's start by understanding what cognitive performance is. Cognitive performance refers to the mental processes involved in thinking, learning, remembering, and problem solving. It's our ability to focus, reason, and retain information, essentially, how we process and respond to information. For decades, researchers have been investigating whether music can enhance these abilities. The good news? There is substantial evidence suggesting that music can, in fact, boost cognitive performance, particularly in areas like memory, attention, and problem solving. One of the most well-known studies on the effect of music on cognitive performance is the Mozart effect. In the 1990s, a study found that participants who listened to Mozart's music for 10 minutes before taking a spatial reasoning test scored higher than those who didn't listen to music. This sparked the popular belief that classical music, specifically Mozart, could make you smarter. However, the reality is a bit more complex. While classical music can have a positive effect on certain cognitive functions, it's not just Mozart that can enhance your brain power. Other genres of music, such as jazz, ambient, and even some types of rock, have also been shown to improve cognitive performance, though their effects may differ based on the task at hand. The key factor is how music interacts with our brain. Music activates various regions of the brain, including those responsible for memory, attention, and emotion. This is why music can have such a wide range of effects on cognitive performance. For example, some types of music may help improve focus, while others can boost creativity or help you recall information. Research has shown that music with a moderate tempo, around 60-80 beats per minute, is particularly effective at improving focus and concentration. This is because it aligns with the rhythm of our brainwaves, promoting a state of flow, where we are fully immersed in the task at hand. This is why many people find it helpful to listen to instrumental or classical music while studying or working. Interestingly, not all music has the same effect. Some types of music, particularly those with lyrics, can actually hinder cognitive performance when performing tasks that require concentration. This is because the lyrics compete for your brain's processing power, making it harder to focus on the task. This is why background instrumental music is often preferred when studying or working. On the other hand, music can be beneficial for tasks that require creativity, such as brainstorming or problem solving. Research has found that listening to upbeat or energizing music can stimulate creative thinking by enhancing mood and motivation. For example, music genres like jazz, pop, and electronic are often associated with increased creativity. Another important aspect of music's impact on cognitive performance is its ability to enhance memory. Studies have shown that music can help improve both short-term and long-term memory retention. This is especially true when music is associated with the material being learned. For instance, if you listen to a certain song while studying for an exam, your brain may associate the music with the information, making it easier to recall when you hear the song again. This phenomenon is known as context-dependent memory, and it's one reason why students sometimes play the same music during their study sessions and exams. Music can act as a cue that triggers memory retrieval, helping you recall information more easily. But how does music affect memory and performance when you're not actively studying? Can music enhance cognitive function during daily tasks or exercise? The answer is yes. Many people find that listening to music can help improve their performance in physical activities, such as running or lifting weights. Upbeat music can boost energy levels, increase motivation, and help you push through fatigue. The same goes for tasks that require repetitive actions, like typing or data entry. Listening to music can make these tasks feel less tedious and improve your focus and efficiency. For instance, one study found that employees who listened to music while performing monotonous tasks were more productive and experienced less stress. In addition to its cognitive benefits, music can also have a positive effect on emotional regulation. When we listen to music, our brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This is why we often feel good when listening to our favorite tunes. This positive emotional state can help improve overall cognitive function, as people who are in a good mood tend to perform better on tasks that require focus and problem solving. Furthermore, music has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, which can improve cognitive performance as well. In stressful situations, our cognitive abilities often decrease, but listening to calming music can help lower stress levels and enhance focus. Now, let's talk about the potential downsides of listening to music while performing cognitive tasks. While music can certainly enhance performance in many cases, it's important to note that its effectiveness largely depends on the task and individual preferences. Some people may find that music distracts them, especially when performing tasks that require deep concentration or complex problem solving. For example, if you're working on a task that requires intense focus, like solving math problems or writing an essay, you might find that music, even instrumental music, can interfere with your thought process. In these cases, silence might be the best option for optimal cognitive performance. So, how can you use music to boost your cognitive performance? First, it's important to experiment and find what works best for you. Some people thrive on classical music, while others prefer more upbeat genres like pop or electronic. It's also important to consider the task at hand. For tasks that require concentration, instrumental music or low-tempo music may be more beneficial, while music with lyrics may be better for creative tasks. Another tip is to create a playlist that suits your mood or the type of task you're performing. For example, if you're preparing for a big exam or presentation, listen to calming music to reduce anxiety and improve focus. If you're brainstorming ideas or working on a creative project, opt for more energizing music to stimulate your brain. In conclusion, music has a powerful impact on cognitive performance. Whether it's improving memory, boosting creativity, or enhancing focus, the right kind of music can help you perform at your best. Experiment with different genres and tempos to see what works for you, and use music strategically to optimize your productivity and cognitive function. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe for more insights on how music and other factors can influence our cognitive performance.